Hey there, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, and today I want to talk to you about how to address mold using the Anabec cleaner. This is the advanced cleaning system that they've come up with, and this is one of the two steps that you can use. We're going to cover the cleaner in this video. Stay tuned. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to basements, attics, crawl spaces, and ductwork, and we even talk about mold, so we hope you'll subscribe to our channel and ring that notifications bell. One of the things about Anabec is it's a great company based right here in the United States. It's actually located in New York, and one of the cool things about this company is they focus on cleaning mold with a non-EPA registered product. I think that's important to know, because according to the EPA, you can't call something a disinfectant unless it's registered by the EPA. Okay, so this is a non-registered EPA product, which means that we're not allowed to call this a mold disinfectant. This is called a mold cleaner. Now, the basis for this cleaner, it's actually peroxide based, all right? So one of the big myths out there is that you should use bleach to address mold. Well, that's an old wives' tale. It doesn't really prove effective. As a matter of fact, a lot of companies and even bleach itself, the makers of bleach say that it's got to have a long enough contact time in order to be effective. But what this is it's a peroxide-based cleaner. Just like that black bottle that you have in your medicine cabinet, that peroxide is strong enough to kill mold. If you pour it on mold, you'll actually see it start to bubble. Well, that's what the basis of this cleaner is it's actually peroxide based. That being said, it is very, very good at cleaning mold. Now, a couple of tips about using this is just like with any other disinfectant or cleaner out there for mold, you still need to visibly and physically remove the mold. All right, we've done some HEPA vacuuming versus soda blasting versus ice blasting and different videos like that, and I'll put a link to a few of those down below. But the point is that if you follow the recommendations of the manufacturer, you should still visibly and physically remove the mold and then apply the cleaner. Whether you soda blast it or whatever, it doesn't matter. You can also hand scrub the mold off, which might even be better for a DIY project, okay? So you can get the cleaner and you can get you some longer gloves, dip a rag or some towel in here, even use some scrub brushes, and then scrub the mold off. Make sure you wear PPE and probably have some HEPA air scrubbers running while you're doing that. But this is a great, great product. We use this all the time. We've been using the cleaner for years. So if you're looking to DIY the crawl space yourself, or you want to hire a professional company to do it, ask them about Anabec cleaning systems, because since it is not EPA registered, it's not a pesticide. That's really why we use it. It's not a pesticide-based cleaning system like some of the other products that are out there. Before I let you go though, I want to tell you that the cleaner can also be applied in a couple of different ways. You can use a squirt bottle, you can use a landscape sprayer, you can use the Tri-Jet fogger, which is on our website, you can use the Max fogger, which is on our DIY store. You can even use the paint sprayers that we offer on our DIY store, and that's very important. This is a liquid-based cleaner, so anything that will spray a liquid can spray this cleaner, but also keep in mind that it's a peroxide-based cleaner. And for those of you that don't know, peroxide, just like bleaches and other cleaners, can be corrosive. So if you're gonna use something like this, make sure you wash it out really good. You don't wanna leave it soaking. Just like any other cleaner that's out there, you wanna make sure you clean out whatever you're using to apply the cleaner so it doesn't damage that equipment long term. So my name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.